Welcome back. Hello again. Here we are. Today I was sent a table to unbox, so I wanted to share it with you. This is the box. I am super excited about getting this box, and especially this table, because let's face it, who doesn't need an extra little table around? While I might be a little bit intimidated about how to assemble it, I'm super excited about this table. Just look at it, cute. See? So let's go ahead and open it, see what's all about. I love opening stuff. And it says metal side table, and it has some instructions, stuff people don't read anyway. The instructions are kind of like a general guideline. Right? We're going to put those aside and see how we do without them. This looks a lot like the tabletop. It's metal, a little ring. It says something here. Keep the bags away from baby. Not to put it on my head. I think I am going to need to read the instructions. I don't see any screws. Aha! I was a little perplexed because it didn't have any screws. They were in the box. So now I can actually figure this out. So it shows screw E going up here. Okay, that one's in. Another screw for the bottom. So those two screws. Little soft feet. They look like this. I don't know if you can see that. Little feet. All right, I think I got it. Oh, there you have it. On the tabletop. Table bottom. Voila, it's a table. It's cute. I love it. I like the fact that the tray comes off. So let's say you were giving some food to someone. You can put it on the tray. I'm going to show you a few places where this table is going to look great. I can already see it. Look at that. Look at this, look at this. I'm excited about this table. Can't wait to show you where it can live. So you can see how awesome this table is. Has two surfaces to put things on, place to put my soda. I love it, it's perfect. Want to carry the sodas in? You can pass the tray. It's amazing. I love it. You should get one too. Whew, it's hot. I like it. It works. Hot, 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 hot. Whew. Cheers. Like and subscribe for more. The wind is working with my own wind machine.